What the hell? What kind of thing is this? Hey, what's up guys? So today we're on the train and we are getting off at Harajuku. So Harajuku is a really popular spot as well. Really known for its like streetwear and stuff, sneakers. I saw videos of it like a couple of days ago. My mate was there and it said it was packed, so we're gonna try and check out. I think they have Supreme and Vape there and other kind of cool streetwear brands. So yeah, let's get to it. So the place we're about to go to actually brings back a lot of memories. That place there is Takashita Street. Just having a look down there, it's actually so packed. I remember the Meiji Shrine is just nearby, but we've already been there, so we're just gonna go walk around now. Let's get through the sea of people. Say hi. Hello. So yeah, AJ just went and bought Abby a kimono. Yeah. So we are in one of those little photo booth places. We're gonna go try it, and hopefully we turn out looking like this lady here. That's what we're gonna turn out looking like. I will be princess.
Princess shot.
Okay, princess shot. Okay. I look dumb! I think it's supposed to make you look tall, so it's gonna stretch my face. So the way that it goes guys is that you take photos in the other photo booth, and once you're done you go into this one. This is where you like edit the photos as well. So after you take the photo you have to edit it over here.
I look you or whatever.
It comes out. What does it look like? Look at that one. My face is like long. My face. I think yeah, it's supposed to make your legs longer, but instead it made my face longer. So we're currently out now, and this amount of people walking around feels like Australia's like Boxing Day sales crowds. And then yeah, but I think it's like every day like crowds here in Harajuku. I think I'm just going to bite the bullet and I'm just going to buy a Champion hoodie because I see them everywhere and I always really wanted one, and it's around 4,500 yen here, which is around 57 Australian dollars. So I think I'm just going to get one. So these guys over here. Oh wow! Look at that! They have Essex Tiger down here. I want this, whatever this is. I just want that. Oh my god, look at this. I don't know what that is. So we're trying the cheese sticks. I'm gonna try the bacon wrap cheese thingy.
Oh yeah.
Ah, stop focusing. Anyway, it's got rice inside, guys. It's really nice. So we're just going to this brand select place where it's apparently second-hand tax-free goods. That's where we're going. Look at this sneaker here. It's 148. So it's actually really cheap here. Like some of the stuff that you can actually get, all this stuff, like way less than half price. I'm actually thinking about getting this one down here. It's like a huge duffel bag is less than like $1,000. Pretty sure in Australia it would have been a lot more. As you see at the top, it's Atmos right there. So we're about to walk towards Supreme right now. As you guys know, you're not allowed to film inside, but let's go have a look. Supreme, oh sheesh, Supreme. Sucks, but they're closed. Yeah, it's closed. So let's keep going, I guess. I actually have the opportunity to actually look at these firsthand. This block thing, seriously. Even in hand, I still don't like it. It's a Cold War collaboration. And but I really do like the clothing that they have to match this. This, I don't know. It's hard to love. It's hard to love. Yo, so behind me is the Ape store. So if you guys don't know, Ape is sort of like the same company as Bathing Ape. It's just like a cheaper, more affordable option, I guess. So out of all the places I've been so far, KIXPLORE definitely has the most heat. As you can see there, they got Sean Witherspoons, they got the new Off-White Vault colorways, they got Off-White down there as well. Crazy. Definitely this whole street just has, it's just full of like streetwear, sneakers. It's probably, if I lived in Harajuku, sorry, if I lived in Japan, this would probably be my favorite street. Okay, so I just found this place, I don't know if you can see it, it says Pulse Judge. They sell all these all these BOGOs here, all this Supreme stuff. Too bad it's closed though. Damn. Probably some advice, if you're thinking about coming here towards the new year, maybe don't. A lot of the actual stores here are actually closed, so it's up to you. But definitely come here and have a look anyway. What the hell kind of thing is this? So now we're in this really popular Instagram spot. I don't know if you guys can see behind me all the mirrors. So a lot of people take photos here. There's even a camera crew. There's a camera crew right there. Wow. Check it out. So we're finished up here in Harajuku. There's lines everywhere. But anything like worth like getting is actually like, yeah, you have to wait for it. So I think we're pretty much done here, so we're gonna get going. Thanks once again for watching the video. If you guys like the video, please once again give me that big thumbs up. And if you actually like the content, please think about subscribing. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.